In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send videos on Gmail. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're signed in and looking at your inbox, we'll start a brand new message. Click the Compose button, usually in the top left corner. A small message window will pop up on the right side or bottom corner of your screen. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address carefully so it reaches the right person. If you're sending it to more than one person, separate addresses with commas. Next, type a clear subject line that hints at what the video is about. For example, project demo video or vacation clip. A thoughtful subject helps your recipient spot it quickly in their inbox. It's also a good idea to add a quick note in the message body explaining what the video is, why you're sharing it, and any context they might need before watching. Now let's attach the video the right way. Large video files don't travel well as traditional attachments due to email size limits, so we'll use Google Drive. In the Compose window, click the Insert Files using Drive icon. It looks like a small triangle. This opens a picker window with your Drive files. In the sidebar of that window, click My Drive to browse the videos you've already saved there. If you keep your files in folders, navigate to the correct folder so you can find it faster. Select the video you want to share. You can usually preview the file name and size here, which is helpful to confirm you've got the right one. At the bottom of the picker, choose Add as Link. This tells Gmail to insert a Google Drive link instead of trying to attach the full video file. It keeps the email lightweight, avoids size limits, and lets the recipient stream or download the video from Drive. Click Insert, and you'll see the video link appear in your message. When you're ready, click Send. If the video's sharing settings need to be adjusted so your recipient can view it, Gmail will prompt you automatically. Approve the suggested access so they don't run into a Request Access screen. That way, they can open the link straight from your email and watch the video without delays. And that's all there is to it. You opened Gmail, composed a message, added your recipient and subject, inserted the video from My Drive as a link, and sent it off. This approach is reliable, quick, and perfect for larger videos. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.